Boy, it's up. What a finishing move. I get chills every time I see it.
Oh, come on now. How about a little more wrestling, a little less posture?
It's called adding insult to injury, JR, and I think it's great.
3, 4.
I talked to these superstars backstage before the match, and I don't think I've ever seen competitors so ready to get it on.
And that's coming through loud and clear here tonight in this match. They're not taking it easy on each other either.
It's been said a million times, but I'll say it again. This isn't ballet.
We could be looking at a pinfall here, folks.
2, 3, 4.
JR's not going to be happy about this, folks. I think one of his favorites is going to get beat like the proverbial government mule.
I'm not playing favorites, King. I might have issues with certain superstars as human beings, but I respect their in-ring abilities nonetheless.
JR, you're so full of it that you've got diarrhea of the mouth and constipation of the brain. I feel so lucky that I'm actually getting to see these superstars wrestle each other.
Me too, King. This one has the potential to become an instant classic. I don't know how much more punishment a human body can withstand.
That part of it, anyway.
And now a pin. This could be it.
2, 3.
Listen to the crowd, JR. Wow, what a match, JR.
You don't have to like it, but that pinfall left no question.
Here's your winner.
Who won this match?
That's for sure, JR. If your shoulders are down for the 3 count,
Jennifer.
you lose, period.
But despite the outcome of the match, I don't think the score is settled between these superstars.
The following handicap match is scheduled for one fall. And the opponent, from Chicago, Illinois, and the tag team partner, from Chicago, Illinois,
a big bienvenue to our fans around the world from Montreal, Quebec. Jim Ross here with Jerry the King Lawler.
And folks, let me assure you that tonight's show is a lot better than JR's
3.
Jeez. Well, there's no question of that, King. These Montreal fans are ready to get started, and so am I. So what are we waiting for? Look at this. Look at this. You talk about a house of fire, you're seeing it right here.
Yeah? Well, somebody better put out that fire, or this one's not going to end well.
1.
You've got to ask yourself, how much punishment will these superstars be able to...
1.
Here's the cover, JR. Can you believe we're actually watching these superstars go at it, JR?
It's great to see, King.
1.
I've been looking forward to this match for a long time. And I'm glad to see that it's not a disappointment. What a reversal.
I wonder how long these superstars will be able to keep this up.
They'll go as long as they need to, King. And if they can't, they won't be having their arms raised after the match. That's for damn sure.
I think I see where this one's going, JR. I don't think we're very far from the end of the match.
I disagree entirely, King.
1.
I bet my Oklahoma Sooner ass that this one isn't even close to being over.
That's a pretty big bet, JR. Are you sure you're
3.
able to cover it?
4.
If any superstar shows the slightest hint of weakness, they've lost the match.
That's for sure. No matter how beat up you are, you can't ever let your opponent know the extent of your injuries.
And that's easier said than done, JR. The human body can only absorb so much punishment.
2, 3,
I don't think anyone's walking away from this match unscathed.
4.
No doubt about it, King. This one's going to be an excellent counter. What ring presence.
This match has the potential to be an instant classic, but I think these fans are too stupid to realize it.
How can you say that, King? How can you insult the intelligence of these WWE fans?
Well, I heard that we gave them an IQ test, and the results came back negative.
Folks, I've got to apologize for the King here tonight. He must have gotten up on the wrong side of somebody else's bed before.
1, 2,
I hope these superstars can make it through this match without suffering a serious injury.
So do I, King, but this ain't ballet. This is very intense, physical competition.
1,
I wonder if SmackDown's going to have anything nearly this good next Thursday.
2,
I think we both know the answer to that one, King. How could they compete in
3.
a match like this?
You talk about ruthless aggression. Look at the way these superstars have been going after each other.
They're not playing with kid gloves, that's for sure.
1.
We knew we were going to see a heck of a match, but this might turn out to be... No. Go ahead and say it, JR.
All right, I will. I think this one's got all the makings of a bona fide slobber knocker.
1,
I tell you, King, I've got no earthly idea how these superstars can maintain this intensity week after week after week.
It's not easy, JR. There's no off-season. It's not like you've got 6 months to recover after WrestleMania.
That's for damn sure. And that's why I don't think there can be any doubt in anyone's mind that the superstars of the WWE are the greatest athletes in the
2,
world.
3, 4,
I'll tell you what, King, the WWE superstars are about the greatest athletes you'll find in any sport, period.
What do you mean, just about, JR? Can you actually think of anywhere else that you can see athletes of this caliber?
I was just going for a little humility there. And here's the pin.
1, 2,
Is that? No, only 2.
We could see a finishing move right here.
2,
These superstars are so unpredictable, this match could go another 30 seconds or 30 minutes.
I hope it's the latter, King. It wouldn't hurt my feelings one bit if this match lasted the rest of the night.
1, 1,
I know you're not a fan of everybody in this match, JR, but
2,
you've got to respect their dedication to this business.
Oh, absolutely,
3.
King. I don't have to like everyone on the roster to acknowledge that
4.
they've all worked long and hard to master
1.
their craft.
1,
Well, from the looks of things, it's not. Here's the
1.
pin! Could this be it? No
2.
trouble kicking out of that one.
3, 4,
What are they going to do next?
I couldn't even begin to guess.
What a finishing move! I get chills every time I see it.
This could
break.
be a pinfall.
Yes, that was an incredible move. What a strike. So long, ref. Sweet dreams.
It's going to be a while before the referee gets up from that.
The cheer superstars are putting everything on the line here in this match.
They sure are, and they're doing it all for the WWE fans. Without them, there'd be no WWE.
It looks like they're slowing the pace down a bit here.
Maybe so. But one or two big moves could completely change the complexion of this match. My God! Can you imagine the impact of that chair on a human body?
3, 4.
I think these superstars have a legitimate beef with each other, JR.
So do I, King. I'm not so sure their issues with each other are going to be solved with one match.
I hope not. I'd love to see them run it again and again.
No! Not the chair! Not the chair!
Whoops! There goes the referee.
Oh, man! And now there's no one to keep order in this matchup. Oh, would you look at this? Talk about arrogant. It's sickening.
Come on, JR. It's not enough just to win a match. You've got to make it clear who's the dominant superstar.
2, 3.
I think this crowd... The referee has called for the bell. That's it.
Here's your winner.
Quality beatdown.
Sexy girl.
Not after the referee counted the 3 count, JR. That's about as decisive as you can get.
What an amazing match. I certainly would not be adverse to seeing a rematch.
The following handicap match is scheduled for one fall. And the opponent from Los Angeles. And the tag team.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Raw, coming to you live from our nation's capital, Washington, D.C.
JR, do you think there's any chance we could convince Eric Bischoff to stay here after we leave? He seems like he'd fit right in with all these politicians.
2.
He sure does, King, but I don't think I'd want to inflict him on these great D.C. fans.
These superstars sure aren't going easy on each other here tonight.
What'd you expect, King? This isn't ballet, you know.
1,
Oh, really?
This could be a pinfall.
2.
The submission has been expertly applied, and now it's just a matter of time.
That's right, JR. You've either got to break the hold
1.
or get broken by it.
Look at this. Look at this. You talk about a house of fire.
3.
You're seeing it right here.
Yeah? Well, somebody better put out that
4.
fire, or this one's not going to end well.
This match is going to continue until someone's completely debilitated. And considering the resiliency of these superstars, that's not going to be easy.
That's for sure. No one in this match is going down without a fight.
And I wouldn't expect any less from them, King. Like them or not, you've got to respect the tenacity of each and every WWE superstar.
1, 2.
I'll tell you what, King, the WWE superstars are about the greatest
3.
athletes you'll find in any sport era.
What do you
4.
mean just about, JR? Can you actually think of anywhere else that you can see athletes of this caliber?
I was just going for a little humility there, King. I'm not surprised it was lost on you.
2.
What a counter!
1.
Now remember, kids,
2.
whatever you do, don't try this stuff at home.
Absolutely
3.
not. Even these trained professionals wind up pretty badly banged up after a match.
We could see a finishing move right here.
Boy, when you look at these superstars, it really drives home the fact that Raw is the...
Oh boy, here it comes. So who do you think's going to win this match, JR? Here's the cover, JR.
3.
Boy, it's obvious these superstars have done their homework on each other.
They sure have. This is one hell of an exam.
Let's hope it's not their final exam, JR.
2.
We could have a pinfall here, JR.
3.
There's the reversal. This could finish the match right here. I'd ask you who you want to win this matchup, JR, but it's been pretty obvious.
And there's the cover.
3.
There's the pin.
I think the damage has been done here, King.
One good submission could end this, JR.
And now a pin. This could be it.
It looks like these superstars are looking for an opening.
And the first one to find one will take control of this match.
3.
These top rope moves are always difference makers for better or worse.
2.
Look at that. No fear whatsoever.
3.
What an amazing superstar.
Be that as it may,
4.
this isn't the sort of thing that wins matches, King.
1.
I can't even imagine what these superstars will.
We could be looking at a pinfall here, folks. A textbook reversal there.
You can't blame the superstars for looking under the ring for weapons. Anything you find under there can be a huge help. What a finishing move. I get chills every time I see it.
3. 4.
Looks like they've slowed the match down. Here's the pin. Could this be
1, 2, 3.
That's it. That's all she wrote. You don't have to like it, but that pinfall left
Here's your
question
winner.
who won this match.
That's for sure,
Peter.
JR. If your shoulders are down for the 3 count, you lose, period.
But despite the outcome of the match, I don't think the score is settled between...
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. And the opponent, from Los Angeles, California.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Raw, coming to you live from our nation's capital, Washington, D.C.
JR, do you think there's any chance we could convince Eric Bischoff to stay here after we leave? He seems like he'd fit right in with all these politicians.
He sure does, King, but I don't think I'd want to inflict him on these great D.C. fans. Excellent counter. What ring presence.
I think I know who's going to win this one, JR.
Oh, really? Enlighten us, King.
Wait a second. Why are you so eager to hear my prediction?
Because I want to know who's going to win. And 9 times out of 10, it's not the superstar you pick.
It looks like they're slowing the pace down a bit here.
Maybe so. But one or two big moves could completely change the complexion of this match. If one of these superstars starts to build momentum, it could be the beginning of the end of this match. A textbook reversal there.
Feel bad for Taz and Michael Cole. They never get to call matches as good as this.
SmackDown's had its fair share of exciting matchups, King, but I'm inclined to agree with you. There's nothing like watching the Raw superstars perform live.
One.
And we're so lucky, JR. We get to see them every single move. I think someone's going for a high-risk move, JR.
One. Two.
I think this one could go either way, JR.
It sure could. Until the referee calls for the bell, this is still anyone's match.
5. 6.
You think
7.
these fans have gotten their money's worth tonight, JR?
If they haven't yet, I'm sure they're going to by the end of this match.
Well, I don't say this too often, but I completely agree with you. Yes, that was an incredible move. What strategy?
Strategy, my Oklahoma ass. That's cheating, plain and simple.
I don't think I've ever felt more anticipation during a match than I am right now, JR.
I know what you mean, King. It's hard to find words to describe the electricity in the air here tonight. I'll be honest with you, King. This is not the way I thought this match would go at all.
Me neither, JR. I guess that just goes to show that anything can happen in the WWE.
I think you hit the nail right on the head, King. And it's that unpredictability that makes it so exciting.
This could finish the match. Oh my gosh! It's over, JR!
These superstars beat the hell
Here's
out
your
of each
winner,
other until one of them was no longer able to stand.
There's no better way to prove who's the better superstar, JR.
I have to agree, King. If your opponent's unable to continue the match, it's pretty clear who won. Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome to the home of Bourbon Street. This event is brought to you by THQ.
What's going on? Who's responsible for that?
Smart is what it is. kick.
What a woman. Please hold me, JR. Don't hurt the puppies. Show up.